So first of all, we are going to marking from neckline. I'm going to put the measurements as 6 inches. From that onward, my button, this is how you measure button length and measure it. It shows 5/8, so you marked the top of the buttonhole, and from that again it's 3.5, and again I'm going to mark 5/8. It should be middle of the placket. So on my top, it's a long top, it's going to be 5 buttonhole attachments. This is how you can see after you marking. Now I have adjusted my machine to very close to 0. It's about 0.5, in between 1 and 0, looks like 0.5, and in here put into middle zigzag thread. You got to check where your needle goes for the first stitch, and now stitch down. From there you have to adjust it manually again, like this. Or now you know where it goes. Just press back tag stitch and do some little stitches, just because it's a close stitching, it doesn't go much far. Now lift the foot and turn over. And again put into the middle. Again you got to check where your needle goes for the first stitch. So this is my button which I'm going to attach to the, and here is the lengthier zigzag stitches. So this is the setup we need for the attachment, button attachment. Another thing you got to check, the thread length is very close, so I'm going to move to 0 level. Actually this is really old machine, as you can see.